So today, we're gonna do another real world test, or day in the life, or whatever we're calling these now. But this time, it's on a new DJI Osmo Action. Their foray into, well, they're going after GoPro.
First, special thanks to PureVPN for sponsoring this video. PureVPN is one of the most affordable VPN solutions out, starting at just $3.33 a month. Their service installs seamlessly on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS and allows you to browse the web anonymously, as well as have all your data encrypted. No more worrying about people spying on you or gathering data as you surf. Beyond that though, you can also use it to tell sites and services that you're browsing from a different country of your choosing than the one you are in, which removes whatever country-based restrictions they might have, allowing you to access content that you couldn't otherwise. And if this sounds like something you might be interested in checking out, head to the link in the description below, and if you use that link to purchase, you'll get PureVPN for an even lower price.
One of the interesting things about it though is that you can go from this back screen to this front one, which I'm obviously into, especially today because we're going to actually head to a OnePlus event, and I'm going to try to use this camera as much as possible to cover it, to test it.
Usually in those conversations, there's two topics that we need to talk about. First one is always, you guys are always asking about the next device, right? And we'll get to that today, so I'm not...
The Pro mode, I was able to maintain a purposely high shutter speed to make sure there was no blur, even when I'm traveling at 100 miles an hour with the window open. Slightly nervous about dropping this prototype camera down into the Atlantic.
Okay, so the OnePlus 7 event was pretty cool. You guys can check out my video, I'll leave a link below. But now we're heading to the T-Mobile store to kind of hang out with them and the OnePlus people. So it's starting to rain, which is a good time, I think, to talk about the waterproofing of this camera.
It's actually waterproof down to 11 meters without any housing needed, which is pretty convenient.
That was fun. Thanks T-Mobile and OnePlus for having me. Kind of cool to see OnePlus in a T-Mobile store. They've come a long way. Now, heading downtown to a coffee shop so I can get some work done before the next event. There's 4 of them today for me. Leading the blind. All right, really quick, let's talk about some of the functions of this while I'm sitting in this coffee shop. We have a quick switch button on the left that I've showed you already that you can use to switch the screens, but if you just tap it instead of holding it down for a couple of seconds, it lets you quickly switch between the different modes. We have video, slow-mo, hyperlapse, photos, and a bunch of others. You can also tap the 3 dots at the top to customize this section. Another interesting feature is that you can buy these screw-on ND filters to pull down the light coming into the sensor if you need. finally, we have to compare it to the device DJI is hoping you'll pick the Osmo Action over, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So here's some footage I shot handheld like this with both. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I'm sitting here looking at the footage, kind of comparing the two different cameras. Really quick though, the Osmo Action is available now. It starts at $349. I'll leave a link below to that. Technically that's $50 less than the MSRP of the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which is $499. But since that's been out for a while, I actually managed to find that for about $370. I'll leave links to both of them below if you guys want to go check them out. And as far as like choosing between these two different cameras, they're very comparable. I would say that the GoPro maybe has a slight advantage in image quality, but the Osmo Action does have that front screen, which is really handy if you're gonna do like what I'm doing now and talk to a camera. Also, I think the noise cancellation is probably a little bit better on this as well. Again, good if you're gonna do this. But there you go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Always love to hear from you. If you like this video, please thumbs up or share. It's greatly appreciated. And don't forget to check out the rest of my channel. If you like what you see there, please subscribe and ding the bell next to where you subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. Also, there's going to be a link below. Click that and you can subscribe to my weekly email newsletter on my website. You're going to get not just videos that come here, but also things that don't necessarily make it to video on the YouTube channel, like tips, tricks, tech news, etc. As always though, regardless, thanks for watching.